The total land area of Karbi Anglong covers 10,434 square kilometers of Assam demarcated in the year 1953. But now what we need to see is thus 10,434 square kilometers of land are still exist in reality or just on papers. Thus, the BJP government lead Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council that often boasts about not giving even an inch of land to the neighboring district or states a fact or fiction. Now looking at the visual from Keroni, one can see the encroachment made from Nagaon District approximately 200 meters of West Karbi Anglong at Majihadi village, Keroni. Concerned civilians of the region, village headman and Mozadar reached the spots to review the incidents. Village headman, while speaking to us, appealed the higher authority of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to set up a notice board differentiating Karbi Anglong and Nagaon District and also to pay heed and intervene into this matter at the earliest.
Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Dangoria ko অনুৰোধ কৰিছে আপুনি জায়গাটো ইনকুৱাৰি কৰক লগতে ৰেভিনিউ ইএমও হওক তাৰপিছত আপুনি বৰ্ডাৰ চেয়াৰমেনো হওক তাৰপিছত আপুনি আপোনালোকে হেৰি কৰক ৰাস্তাও চাওক আৰু মই বিশেষকৈ এই কাৰণে মই অনুৰোধ কৰিছোঁ ৰেভিনিউ ইএমকো অনুৰোধ কৰিছোঁ যে পাতা মানে বৰ্ডাৰ সকলক মানে পাতা বিতৰণ কৰিব লাগে বুলি মই সদায় আপত্তি কৰিছোঁ এছ পাৰ মজাদাৰ হৈ
Mohan Teron's report from Keroni for Karbi Anglong Live.